Okay, this is Nifty 50. So, this is a weekly chart, and the wave count had gone wrong in the earlier analysis, and I'm correcting it now. So, I will mark the first five waves. This is one, two, whole is three, and this is four, and we are in the fifth wave. See, what I had done earlier was I had marked this as the end, and I was thinking this is wave A, beginning of the decline. But eventually, what happened was this wave. I was unable to trade this wave. The reason is my count was not correct, and but now things have kind of cleared. And this is one, two, three, four, five. A B C. One, two, three, four, five. This is a zigzag correction, and this would be a triangle, wave X, or something like this. So if I had to mark this correction, it would be like this. Instead of marking it like a triangle, I will mark it like a zigzag correction. And this would be a triangle, something like this. So instead of marking it like a leading diagonal pattern on a monthly basis, I think that didn't work out. Basically, the third wave has extended. So this is the third wave. One, two, three, four, and five. So this one is the intermediate wave. Actually, this whole is a primary wave. This wave is a primary wave, and all these waves are intermediate waves. You know, in bracket. This is how you write intermediate waves. And then these waves are minor waves. All these are minor waves. So now we come to the last part. So wave theory says that whenever wave 3 is extended, wave 1 should be equal to wave 5. That is what wave theory says. This is wave 1, and let me see how much is wave 5. So wave 5 should not go more than this. So this is my Nifty 50. Now I come to this fifth wave. I will analyze this part. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is an extension. Fourth wave correction and fifth wave. So let me see. Another thing important is I will remove this. Another thing important is that look at the volume RSI. So this is the peaking of the RSI. This is the third wave. Let me just remove this. So this is where the RSI peaked. And now the fifth wave has gone beyond the third wave, the end of the third wave. But the RSI is not going up. That means volume is decreasing. and we have a divergence here. This is a divergence. So now I will come to this part. I will see what is happening here. I'll remove all this and let us see what is happening in the fifth wave. Let us go to a daily chart. So we are basically concerned with this wave. This is the price action. Okay. So we have already marked the maximum limit. This is where wave 5 will be equal to wave 1. Let me check it again. I mean, this is the possibility in Nifty 50. Okay. So we will see the last wave. Okay, I'm going to mark the waves here. First wave, second, and this is third. This is fourth, and this is fifth. Let us go into the details now. So this starts from here: one, two, three, 4, and 5. So this is the first wave. A, B, and C. Small correction. A, B, and C. A, B, and C. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4, or maybe just extend the third wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is third, fourth, and this is fifth. This will be a 5 wave move. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Something like this. 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This would be the third, fourth, and fifth. Okay, extension of this wave, something like this. Okay, let me mark it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is third, fourth, and fifth. Something like this. This is a third wave, which I mistook for the second wave correction. I mean, that was a big mistake. Now this is a correction, it's a fourth wave correction. And this is an expanded flat correction. A, B, and C. A, B, and C. See, this is the B wave. B wave goes beyond the start of wave A. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 3, 3, and 5. Flat correction. Expanded flat because wave P goes beyond the start of wave A. This is wave A, this is wave P, and this is wave C. So this is the fourth wave correction. And now again we have the last wave. So see, this is looking like a triangle to me because after a correction there can be a triangle A B C A B C, and then from here we have the waves 1, 2, and this whole is 3, 4, and now we are in the last wave. So this is also a flat correction. It's a running flat correction A B C, A B and C, and this is 5. This is a small correction, but this is happening within the third wave. This is happening within the third wave. This correction is happening within the third wave. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That kind of waves. And we are in the last wave now. Now the fifth of the fifth can be a triangle wave. It can be like this: A, B, C, A, B, and C. And then again, we, we can have this: A, B, C, D, and E. So basically, this wave is on the verge of expiry. So, so be careful. Though I have marked the target as 20,000, because wave theory says whenever you have third wave extensions, uh, fifth wave is equal to wave 1. And this is proved so many times. Whenever we have third wave extensions, wave 1 is equal to wave 5. But sometimes I feel that this wave is almost over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This might be a triangle wave because this is a triangle A B C A B C. Small decline and then up move. Just wait and watch. Just wait and watch. Another way of doing this is, let me just remove this. One can use the channeling technique. I'm sure this is definitely within the fourth wave move, and we should have a triangle wave, a small triangle wave. And maybe this is the end of the bull run in nifty. So let us wait and watch as to what is going to happen here. I mean, this 20,400 is too big a target, too big a target for nifty to go all the way up. But you never know. You never know the markets. You never know. So going by the wave theory, if wave 3 is extended, then wave 5 should be equal to wave 1. I think that was in Kotak Mahindra Bank I found out. Let me see. Kotak. Yeah, this was the fifth wave in Kotak, and wave 3 was extended. Wave 1 was equal to wave 5. Let me see if I recollect this properly. No, it was slightly bigger than this. Or was it in some Fibonacci ratio or something? Let me see. No, not in Kotak. My mistake. Anyway, let's come back to Nifty 50. So this is how the wave 5 is going to develop. One, two, three. This was the correction, fourth wave. We are in the fifth of the fifth. We are in the fifth of the fifth. Sometimes the reversal takes place from the center line also. So just be careful, because as soon as this fifth wave will be over, we will have this A, B, and C correction. So Nifty will go down. Once this fifth wave is over, Nifty will go down. And that will kind of complete the first primary wave of Nifty that started way back in 93, I suppose. So that will complete the first wave. I mean, just look at this monthly chart. Okay, this is where it starts. And this was the, after the fall of Corona, this was the last wave, fifth of the fifth. One, two, three, four, and this was the fifth wave, last of the last. So this will complete the first primary wave. But I mean, that is a long thing. So presently we are in wave 5. This was a mistake. I had marked this as a leading diagonal pattern. This was a mistake. And this was basically a zigzag correction and a triangle. So we can also see Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty Bank. So this is a monthly chart of Nifty Bank, and here also we are in the fifth wave, last wave. This is the weekly chart. ABC correction, fourth wave correction. 1, 2. This is 3, 4, and 5. Last wave. You see the first wave. How much?